Rocks, is that you?
Yeah, it's your boy Rocks in the mix.